How to use Amazon Subscribe and Save for discounts. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me go ahead and show you the steps on how you can use Amazon Subscribe and Save for discounts. But to use Amazon Subscribe and Save for discounts, first you want to find the eligible items on Amazon, like such as diapers, toothpaste, pet food. Then choose a delivery frequency on the product page and set up the subscription for automatic saving with extra discount. So first search for particular items such as toothbrush, toothpaste, be it. You can also browse the dedicated Amazon Subscribe and Save store. So you should find the Subscribe and Save store. If not, you can search in your browser directly or Amazon Subscribe and Save store, and you should be able to find the items there. Then on the product page, choose the Subscribe and Save option. Then pick your desired quantity and delivery frequency, example every 2 weeks or monthly. Then click Set Up Now option or confirm the subscription to add it to your scheduled deliveries. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.